sorry. Okay. Hi, my loves. Look who I'm here with.
Hi.
My beautiful Jessie. I'm going to be linking her channel below. What are we doing today, Jessie?
Eating food.
Yay! We are doing an official, I'm not sure if it's called MUKBANG or
Mukbang.
MUKBANG.
Ooh, it's time to order.
It's time to order. You guys are so excited. Are you ready? In and out, by the way. You know what you're getting?
Yes.
Are you getting a protein burger?
Yes.
Okay. Miss Fancy Pants. I'll get that too because I just had tuna.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? What can I get for you today?
A hamburger, please.
Would you like onion?
No onions.
And you want a protein style, right?
Yeah, cheese.
Okay.
She wants cheeseburger.
So you want a cheese?
Oh.
You want it with cheese?
I'm sorry, I didn't realize. Yes, please.
You would think this was her first time ordering in and out.
Honestly, what was that?
Your ordering mechanism was a little bit off.
You know why? Because I never
She's just
order
hungry.
No,
You're not you when you're hungry.
No,
Have you seen those commercials?
Snickers.
Snickers.
No, but I never order a protein style. It's normally like a normal burger.
Well, yeah, because normal people
Order normal burgers.
eat normal food.
Are you still on the keto diet?
Yeah.
Remember the first time I ate In-N-Out because everyone made it such a big deal when I was back home. I literally came off the plane and came to In-N-Out. That's how
What did
much
you think?
I was like, damn, yum.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of people who don't like live in LA, majority of them are like, it's not that great. Like, it's not that exciting.
You know what it is? I mean, compared to Macca's, like McDonald's back home, it is so healthy.
Oh my god, ew, McDonald's.
But see, like, Macca's isn't a thing here, but in Australia, it's a thing. Like, we have Macca's runs, which means like after clubbing or after like a party.
What do you call it? Max?
Macca's.
Macca's?
It's spelled M-A-C-C-E-R-S.
Macca's.
Macca's. This is a new word. I teach just Australian words.
Macca's.
And you can add this to your list.
Haven't had it for like 16 years.
I think it's been like 9 years I haven't had it.
Yeah, I avoid.
But-
Oh wait, hold on.
No, just you can't go here, no.
Stop
There you
it.
go. Thank you so much. Just love.
Lilian! Okay,
I thought you took it off. Thank you so much.
I'm buying coffee.
Okay, good. So, another thing that I can teach, I just remembered, whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop.
Like if you come from whoop whoop, that means you come from a very far away place. And she came from whoop whoop. And she's complaining that I'm paying for her. You came all the way.
Sorry. Whoop whoop.
Like W-W-O-P, W-W-O-P. Whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop.
Yeah.
Whoop whoop.
I love how this could be like me making up a whole bunch of bullshit, but I'm really not.
I swear. Yeah, everybody's like, oh my god, I wish I had an Australian accent like me. But then you guys are like, oh my god, I wish I like spoke
I know.
an American yeah,
American.
I wish I spoke English.
I
I'm
wish
like,
I spoke American.
What? So give us your best American accent. I want you to say a sentence.
Okay, well, tell me.
And then I'll say the same sentence in my Aussie accent.
Okay, tell me what to say.
Can't wait to have my hamburger.
I cannot wait to have my hamburger. I can't wait.
I can't.
Thank you so much.
Would you like any ketchup for your fries?
I'm okay.
No, that's fine. Why am I so confused?
I don't know. Do you want ketchup? You want ketchup, ma'am, or not?
I'm sweating.
The whole world starts spinning.
Anxiety. I'm so excited. Thank you.
Oh, there you go. So this is my first mukbang, but I've seen a lot of them.
I always get hungry when I watch Trisha Paytas.
Yeah.
And she's like, and I literally salivate.
You know, I get hungry, but then I also like don't. Like they'll be eating something that I know that's not good. Oh yeah, that crunch.
I'm like, what?
Let's get that crunch too.
You like her?
Mm-hmm.
This is my, first time I've had a protein burger.
What?
Yeah.
Why did you get a protein burger?
Because I already had tuna. I was dying of starvation. I shoved tuna down my throat.
Not tuna. Oh my god. You're gonna be hungry.
Of course I am. Watch me have like, firstly, there's a whole bucket of chips here. I think I'll be fine.
French fries? Oh wait, we were doing your American accent.
Yeah.
My hamburger is so delicious.
Then I'm in acting school. My hamburger is so delicious. Is that better?
Yeah.
Really? Like if I don't think about it, it's okay. Now you do an Australian one.
Same sentence?
Yeah.
God.
We're all spinning.
Good God. Dang, I hope I don't go British. My hamburger is so delicious.
Oh, that's really good actually. I think you said you said my. A bit off, but like
I always like start off and then like I end with like.
Yeah, you ended up really good. No, you know what it is? Just be so lazy. Don't pronounce anything.
Very tonguey though. You use like your tongue a lot.
Really? Because how I told you I'm learning Spanish and they use their tongue a lot. Like
I took like 4 years of Spanish.
Really? Do you remember anything, Jess? Really? Nothing? Nada?
Nada. Poquito.
The camera overheated. But what was saying?
Talking about accents.
Yeah, I feel like Americans just sing. Who said I sound like a dying cat? Hey, how are you? I don't know.
You sound like a dying cat. No, I love
I know, I think you did a pretty good job. People get mixed up Cheyenne over with like British. I can see why.
Yeah, and New Zealand too. It's similar, but it's not similar, you know?
Yeah. They don't pronounce their vowels as much.
In Armenian, we say kopov.
Is it the spot?
Yeah, but it translates to it's stuck.
You know what people have been asking me? To do a video all in Armenian, and I was actually considering it. Maybe we should do it together one
Somebody
day.
asked me, but that was like one person. And I'm pretty sure everybody else doesn't want that.
No, you never know. I've practiced
kind
a
of
few
video.
times. Like I've practiced like 5 says each per sec.
Oh yeah, I talk to myself all the time.
Yeah. I legit talk to myself.
And when I drive,
I drive. Is that what you do too, Jessie?
Yeah.
Do people look at you sometimes in the car and they're like...
No, because they think I'm talking on the phone. Sometimes I stare at them. I'm just like, yeah. Manate, crunchy eyes, beat it once, beat it twice.
I didn't know that one. You don't see my playmate. I cannot play with you. My sister has the flu, chickenpox and measles too.
No.
What about down by the banks
Thanks of the hanky-panky where the bullfrog jumps from bank to bank. Okay, at least we know one.
Yeah, yay! I loved primary school.
It's elementary school.
Yeah. I know you didn't like school, but looking back now, I'm like, what was I complaining about?
All of elementary. Actually, for like even beyond then, I was always bullied. I was always made fun of. Always. All the time.
But I don't understand why. What's wrong with people?
People will find anything to like, even like nowadays, like social media, people will find anything to like harass you about. You wear this style of clothing. Who cares what other people are doing if they're not like physically harming you?
Yeah,
Like leave them alone. I just think it's people that literally are going through something in their life
Tough
and they
times.
feel like lashing out at someone.
That's what it is.
They just get triggered. Like, oh my god, they wore that lip color today. I hate you.
No normal person's gonna come and be angry. Like they have so much anger, they don't know how to get rid of it. So
I get angry and irritated by things people do all the time, but I
you
never
don't say it.
No, I don't say it because like at the end of the day, I need to like focus on like that negativity, just like move on with your life.
When I was in primary school, when I was in year 6, my so-called friends, older sister, she was in high school, she was like older, 17. You know how when they count you in class and you have to take the permission slip? Attendance, yeah. So that day, the teacher picked me and like, you didn't go take this to the office. I was like, fine. I walked out, I was like 10. I walk out, go to the office, and on my way to the office, she stops me and she goes, listen, if you don't play with my sister, I'm gonna make school hell for you. And she was like this tall, big person. She bent down because I was so little and short. And I was like, and like that scared me. First, I didn't play with her sister because her sister would bully me. So I would pull myself back. And she said that to me and I went home crying. And then my mum called the school. My mum would take no shit from anyone. She's still like that. She called the school and she's like, are you going to expel her or am I going to expel her myself? And she got expelled. Yeah. That's how you get things done.
When bullies become victims and victimize themselves, I've had I have so many stories. This girl would harass me in my PE class.
How old were you?
12, 13. But she would harass me in the locker room when we would get ready for PE.
But what do you mean harass? Like,
her and her friends would yell out things.
Oh my god.
And they would call me names. Sometimes like when I was getting ready. For the longest time I got ready in a bathroom stall because like I was like terrified. But like they would like take my backpack and my clothes and like throw it on the floor. They would like
actually physically do. What an idiot. Like what idiot.
They would like laugh and point and like whisper and like all that stuff. And like one day like I had enough. Like this went on for such a freaking long time. I grabbed my jacket and like I just wanted them to stop. So I kind of like just went like this with my jacket and the zipper hit her arm.
Yeah.
She played the victim. She's like, oh my god, I'm telling on you, you hit me. Got our parents to school.
Please tell me she got in trouble. Just what?
We had to go sit in a counselor's thing with her mom and my mom and sit with her like a therapist and tell her our problems. And she was like, I get made fun of all the time. Me and my mom are both like, moral of the story, people will always find something to come at you for, and then when you turn around and like point it out, they either become victim and tell you how bad of a person you are.
That's disgusting. There's days that I'm not the most positive person, but don't lash it out on other people. Like,
now I'm having a bad day, I stay away from humans, okay? No social contact because I don't want to poor people.
Exactly. And I'm a Taurus, so if I go off, I'm off.
Ooh,
but like,
you are?
Yeah.
Did you know friends are like all Tauruses?
This got me this necklace for my birthday.
Oh, I should have worn mine.
It's the cutest. I love it. I wear it every day. You know what scares me when we have kids? How are we going to control that when they go to school? Terrifying.
You can't.
terrifies me. Are you done eating?
I'm full. Thing is, it's in our bellies. We're satisfied.
And this was good lemonade. Cheers. We should do the
ASMR. That's next time.
I don't like this. Imagine if people actually find this attractive. Do you see they're being serious?
Now what are we eating? God, if we only had like sugar in you, I can only imagine what would have happened then.
You can imagine what type of child I was. We're off to see the Wizard driving off.
The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, the Oz, the Oz, the Oz, the Oz. Someone holds me safe and warm. Wow, that was like such a good, both of us.
Good job, Jess. I'm very proud of you.
High five.
But that was our mukbang or mukbang. I'm so sorry I don't know how to pronounce it. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be linking Jess's information and Instagram right here. And also, we actually filmed a video on her channel. It's going to be such a fun video, so definitely go check it out. I'm going to be linking it below.
Gracias.
Let us know if there's anything that you want us to film together as well in the future, and we'll happily film it. So yeah, we hope you guys liked it.
Bye.
Gracias. I love you guys.
Bye.